Hello everyone, this is going to be my second video of 2022. So the company called Etsy, which I already had a previous video on this company, but I decided to take another one because I've seen a significant drop from nearly 305 to down to 185, which is trading at the moment. So just a quick background on Etsy. Etsy is multi kind of international e-commerce business. Let's see. Well, let's just click on it and see how does it look like. So I personally have a company, kind of a business here as well, selling and buying and selling things here. You can see it's extremely user friendly. You can go into different categories. It's very similar, equivalent of eBay and Amazon basic, but much more easy to upload things, much more user friendly, and so easy to kind of manage if you're starting a business. Another good thing about this company is just referring to Motley Fool, Rachel Warren's comments on here, which is basically what I'm thinking is just described here. So I find it easy to just go and kind of use this as a reference rather than writing a long story. So just talking about the differences, what we achieve with Etsy that we cannot achieve with other products. Basically, they are more specialized on vintage and unique handmade products that you can buy and sell on this platform. If you look at the recent, let's say, business acquisitions, they acquired Depop, which is like a platform where you can buy and sell second-hand clothing, and also Elo7, which is the equivalent of Etsy Brazil. Basically, they purchased two companies. They are expanding basically, and if you look at the growth, like you can see the numbers here, basically 45% in terms of revenue. You can see if you compare it the first 9 months, 45%, and you can see the sellers are up to 102%, and also the buyers are 40% up year on year. If you could just compare the first 9 months of 2020 to first 9 months of 2021. So as I said, this is the what you look at when you buy and sell stock. Basically, you need to check the company's background and see, exactly there's a good management and there's a good business profile, and is they are increasing their sales and revenue. So on that respect, they are very good. They are unique. And as I say, personally, I have a very good experience with this company as well, and I have some stock shares on this company. So let's move on to technical analysis. As you can see, there's a significant drop from over 300 to 165. The main reason for that one is mainly the tapering. The recent the central bank announcing that they are going to do tapering. Basically, they are going to reduce the amount of funds they are going to buy, central bank, and this is going to increase the interest rates, and so more people are going to move from stock market to just investing their money into bank and just getting high interest on that. So that's the scary scenario. That's why it caused most of the stocks, let's say, a drop. As you can see, this is Nasdaq is also dropped, like you can see the top around here, November, December time. It was 16,000, over 16,000. Now we are seeing around 14,000, just under 15,000. So it dropped more than the Nasdaq index, but still has a huge potential, in my opinion. The first resistance point, as you can see here, is didn't hold the stock there, dropped further, and this is the second resistance value. I would say 180.85, and so at the moment is around there. So we'll see whether this point will hold it there, or it will drop more further down to 165, where you can see many people bought and sold the shares around here. The volume is kind of high here, or it was trending sideways for a long time. So what I would, as I said, this is not kind of direct go and buy it, but if you're interested in this company, I would, again, for any company, regardless of what size and how trustworthy it is, I would recommend dollar cost averaging. So if you're planning to buy it, I would recommend to buy 10-15% of your money and see what happens. Basically, if it goes above this price, then you make profit. If it drops, then you can buy more. If you look at the 5 year, this is a weekly chart. You can see around the pandemic, it dropped around 30-35. I remember talking about this stock with my colleague and kind of buying around here. That time, obviously, we didn't know that this was going to happen. It was going to go 10 times, tenfold. As you can see, $30 to $300. So 10 times. But I made a significant amount of money on this company, just not buying at the dip, but somewhere. This is 71. Yeah, I think it was around 70, 80, and 20-30% increase. Then I wasn't expecting this 300, to be honest. But in long term, is very, very good company. As you can see, if you put overall chart is going upwards. These drops are mainly market related, macro economy related drops, so I wouldn't be so much worried about that. Again, I recommend this for long term investment. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're interested in any specific company, please write down in the comment section below. I would be happy to provide my thoughts and the feedback on that. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.